We figure if we get another one or two of these big banks to actually take out the 2022 lows, it's going to start to get noticed. Instead of all the focus being on one, regional banks, or two, a mismanaged bank. Good excuse for the Fed, you know. And then suddenly the public's going to say, uh-oh, this is getting out of hand.
You're watching Silver News Daily. Like and subscribe for daily analysis and news on the price of gold and silver. Now, let's get right to it.
Hey there, my friend. You won't believe what's been happening in the silver market lately. There's so much excitement buzzing around the potential rally of silver prices to a whopping $50. I've been diving deep into the details, and I'm here to break it all down for you. You know how fascinating the world of investing can be, and this silver rally is no exception. So buckle up and get ready for some seriously interesting insights. First things first, let's talk timing. It's not easy to predict the exact moment when silver will skyrocket to $50, but there are two crucial pieces of data that can give us some hints. You see, the dynamics behind this rally are influenced by the commitment of traders, COT, data, and some bullish chart patterns. These factors are like the puzzle pieces that will help us figure out when silver will finally make its long-awaited leap to $50 per ounce. Imagine trying to decipher the perfect timing for a grand event. That's what investors are up against in the silver market right now. Everyone's eyes are on that magical $50 mark, and for good reason. But what most people don't realize is that silver has a bit of a restless personality. It's unlike many other markets because of its wild volatility. The emotions it evokes, fear, excitement, and even impatience, can make it tough to see the bigger picture, especially when it comes to the rich patterns on its price chart. Here's something to wrap your head around. Silver is in the midst of a long-term consolidation. The longer this consolidation lasts, the more powerful its impact will be when it finally breaks out. So even though there might be some uncertainty, as long as silver respects its support area from 2022, we're on a good track. This consolidation phase is all part of the game, setting the stage for what's to come. Now, let's talk about the COT report. It's like a sneak peek into the minds of traders and analysts. This report gives us insight into market sentiment by showing us where different groups of traders are putting their money. And guess what? The current silver COT report is looking pretty bullish. The net positions of both commercials and non-commercials are pointing towards the potential for higher silver prices. It's like a vote of confidence from the experts. But wait, there's more. Get ready for some technical analysis magic. You know how patterns can give us a hint about the future, right? Well, there's this fascinating 9-month rounded pattern on the silver price chart. It's like a treasure map with a big X marking the spot. If this pattern breaks to the upside, it could be a sign that we're about to witness a major shift in sentiment, from bearish to bullish. And this could just be the beginning of a new bullish phase for silver, possibly setting the stage for the big rally we're all waiting for. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Throughout history, silver has had its fair share of price surges. It's shown us time and again that it's capable of delivering massive gains in a short amount of time. While history might not repeat itself exactly, it does give us a glimpse into how external factors can push silver prices to new heights. So think of these historical moments as a preview of what could be in store for us. All right, my friend, here's where it gets really interesting. The journey to $50 isn't going to be a straight shot. Think of it as a two-stage adventure. In the first stage, we might see silver making its way to around $34. This initial push could be driven by a mix of technical and fundamental factors. And once we hit that stage, the path to $50 could be within our reach. Picture this stage being supported by market sentiment getting stronger, possible supply-demand imbalances, and some external events lighting the way. So, what's the bottom line here? As we eagerly await silver's climb to $50, it's crucial to keep a keen eye on market dynamics and those intriguing technical patterns. While nailing down the exact timing is a bit like trying to catch a shooting star, keeping an eye on the COT report, analyzing those patterns, considering history, and understanding the potential for a two-stage rally can give us a well-rounded perspective. In this ever-changing world of commodities, making informed decisions is key. By taking all of these insights and analyses into account, we can approach the silver market with a fresh outlook. Armed with this knowledge, we can adjust our strategies to be in sync with the potential twists and turns ahead. So, my friend, get ready for an exciting ride in the world of silver. There's a lot more to this metal than meets the eye. But wait, my friend, there's another side to this story. Imagine a scenario where silver decides to break down below the $22 level. That would be a red flag, a signal of potential trouble ahead. If this happens, it might open the door to a downward move, possibly all the way down to the $20 level. Now, I'm not saying it's a done deal, but it's something we need to be aware of. If silver takes a plunge below $22, it might be time to consider a short position. It's like having a plan B in case things don't go as planned. What's driving all of this? Well, my friend, it's all about the bond market and its dance with the US dollar. Silver seems to be dancing along with them like a closely related partner. The bond market's movements can have a massive influence on how the US dollar behaves, and that, in turn, affects our beloved silver. So, it's like a domino effect. One thing leads to another, and our silver market is right in the middle of it all. Now, let's sum it up. We've got quite the situation brewing here, a real binary trade, if you will. It's like we're standing at crossroads, and each side of the coin has its own story to tell. Whether we're trading above or below this candlestick, it's like the market is giving us a roadmap to follow. And trust me, my friend, loads of technical traders are paying close attention to these levels. It's like a secret language only the market enthusiasts understand. So, there you have it, the latest scoop on the silver market's weekly technical analysis. It's been a week of hesitation, potential support zones, and pivotal levels that can make or break the game. Keep all of this in your back pocket as you navigate the silver market waters. And remember, my friend, in the world of investing, staying informed and ready to adapt is the name of the game. Happy trading.